Nobody knows what you're fighting right now. Nobody sees the nights you stayed up wondering if it's all worth it. Nobody hears the silence after you give your best and nothing happens. But that silence, the one that feels like punishment, it's not the end, it's the beginning. This is the season of silence. The part where everything feels slow, lonely, and invisible. But what you don't realize is this is where the strongest people are built. Everyone wants the spotlight, but nobody wants the dark. And yet, it's in the dark that seeds grow. It's in the quiet that the roots take hold. You think you're behind. You think you're wasting time. You think no one's noticing your effort. But you're not behind. You're becoming. There's a reason why your plans take longer than you hoped. There's a reason the doors aren't opening yet. Because the universe isn't preparing the opportunity, it's preparing you. The silence you hate is shaping you into someone who can handle what's coming. Every delay is a test. Every quiet night is a sharpening. You're not being punished. You're being prepared. When everything feels slow, when nobody understands what you're doing, when you feel invisible, that's not the end. That's training. The greats are not made in noise. They are built in silence. You see, the ones who truly win, they don't announce their every move. They grind in the shadows. They take losses privately. They cry quietly and rise again silently, because they know something others don't. Noise doesn't build success. Discipline does. So if you're still waiting, if you feel like nothing's working, don't rush the process. Growth takes time. Mastery takes patience. And purpose takes silence. You can't microwave greatness. You have to marinate in it. And the same people who overlooked you will ask how you did it. Every sleepless night, every quiet morning, every unseen effort, they all matter. It may look like nothing's happening, but deep down something incredible is forming. Every second of patience is a deposit. And one day, the world will see the balance you've been building in silence. So keep going, keep believing, keep moving even when no one claps. Because your silence today will become your thunder tomorrow. And when that moment comes, the world won't just see your success. They'll feel the storm that built it.
Built in silence, forged in patience, unbreakable.